Nestled amidst the Lushai hills of northeastern India is the Union Territory of Mizoram. It shares a 630-mile border with Burma and Bangladesh. The hills are steep and cut across by gorges, through which flow the rivers of Mizoram. A cluster of picturesque bamboo houses, the Mizo village is the home of a close-knit community, and the cadence of village life is quiet and unhurried. One gets the feeling that here, time stands still. The forests of Mizoram, which cover the hillsides with lush greenery, provide timber, an important produce for the Mizos. History has it that the Mizos migrated to these hills in the 17th and 18th centuries from Upper Burma. In the late 19th century, the Mizos gave up their old animistic faith and embraced Christianity. In recent years, many changes have come to the Mizo way of life. Sankuma and Somi are like so many other Mizo couples. In them, one cannot fail to see the Mizo love for life. The Mizos are a musical people. Like La Brea and Kimi, many young Mizos spend their evenings singing songs of love and happiness. A village wedding is not a private affair in these hills. The whole community gathers at the church for the marriage. The weavers of Mizoram have long been famous for their work. Their magic fingers have a lot to offer, from simple cloth to colorful tapestry that expresses the deep Mizo sense of beauty. Aizawl, the capital of Mizoram. Located at a height of around 4,000 feet, Aizawl is a bustling town, growing in importance every day as Mizoram strides ahead towards modernization. The bazaar is really the heart of Aizawl, where people of the town get together. Sangluna and Hilili are an example of emerging modern Mizoram. The social freedom of the Mizos has helped their women play a larger role in development. Hilili and Sangluna are both working people, and yet they have retained their warmth and hospitality, their cheerfulness and lust for life. One can see the changing patterns of life, especially in the youth of Mizoram. A century of formal education has resulted in a high percentage of literacy. Today, over 53% of Mizos know how to read and write. The Mizos are a sports-loving people, and football is a hot favorite. Among traditional sports, wrestling retains its old popularity. Medical facilities, like this well-equipped hospital, have been contributing largely to improving health standards. The Mizoram police are specially trained to maintain law and order in these hills. Brigadier Silo, the Chief Minister of Mizoram, is deeply concerned with development and modernization.
Most people in India, including some intellectuals, do not know one thing about Mizoram. That is, Mizoram, though a small part of India, is the most backward in the whole country. It is important to India for more than one reason. Firstly, its strategic importance to India. Secondly, Mizoram, though a small part, is also a part of India. Mizoram being the most backward in the whole country, that backwardness must be removed, because the people of India and the government of India must aim at removing regional imbalance in the matter of development.
Mizoram needs better communication with the rest of the country. Road building is a major activity, which will bring all corners of the hills within the easy reach of civilization. project has been inaugurated by the Indian Railways to bring a meter gauge line to Mizoram, connecting Lala Bazar in Assam to Bhairabi in Mizoram. Today, Mizo villagers have to walk many miles for drinking water and carry it back in hollowed bamboos over the hills. A hydroelectric power project will harness the waters of the Dhaleshwari river for the benefit of Mizoram. Water will give power, and power will bring water to villagers high up in the hills. Bamboo has always been an important gift of nature to the people of Mizoram. And for centuries, they have used it to build their houses. The Mizos also fashion many things of daily use from bamboo. It is a real revelation of their ingenuity, skill, and innate sense of beauty. Bamboos are a part of Mizo culture. The bamboo dance, called chero, is still very dear to them. As the fires burn and columns of smoke rise along the hill slopes, one is reminded of jhum cultivation. In recent times, jhum has given way to terraced fields and modern methods of cultivation. Springtime is heralded by the Chapchar Kut, a gay festival of dance and merriment. This festival is usually a celebration for jhum cultivation, the beginning of agricultural activity. Everybody participates without hesitation. Even Admiral S.N. Kohli, the Lieutenant Governor of Mizoram. This is followed by Kuallam, the dance of the guest, and other popular traditional dances. birthday of modern Mizoram is not too far away either. In the peak of festivity, it makes its popular appearance. The future may bring many changes to Mizoram, but the valley will remain green, the skies above blue, and the hills will sing of passion from Mizoram with love.
Con măng xí lâu mô đi em xin lâu gần chùa nát ta lâu đần ta sẽ lại na biển cất lấy thấy lâu yên tâm lâu chuan lại cả lên rồi lâu anh cùng tua xe đi mô lưng lên cả đi nắng ấy azul dễ gì cả ngày em sẽ cả ngày rồi sẽ cả ta